Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 Memorydex cards that I made using the digitals that I recently got from Live Life and Create. I'll have her shop linked down below so you guys can definitely check it out. Before I show you guys the cards, I want to show you some of her digitals. She was kind enough to reach out and ask me if I wanted to play around with some of her digitals. And I said yes, because you guys, they are so cute. So we have these little Nightmare Before Christmas ones. Look at this one, the little jar with the pens, the little witchy Nightmare Before Christmas coffee cups. Look at this one, you guys. Go away, rest in peace, I'm crafting. And this is a bigger one. These cute little Jack is Back calendars. These are super fun. We have some little potion bottles. And I add a bunch of Winkastella to these, so they end up looking super glittery and fun. I love this one. I actually used this one to create one of my cards. And it says, "Crafty thoughts are brewing." So cute. Then we have this one with Sally and Jack. And then these are the other ones that I had cut out. But you guys should definitely go check out her shop. She has a bunch more. But I played around with these, and let me show you guys what I made. So the first one I made is this one right here, you guys. And I think it turned out super cute. Do you guys see that? And like I said before, I add Winkastella to the black just to give it kind of like that glittery. You see that? That glittery effect. And you guys, I am obsessed with how cute this card turned out. So she also has a little bundle kit where she provides the paper. Let me see. I think I have some sheets here. You guys, I have such a mess because I've been crafting like a mad woman. So these are the 2 papers, and it has the little coffins with the "Go Away, I'm Crafting" in purple and in white. So I definitely wanted to use those papers. That is the paper that's in the back. And I think I did her paper and extra cardstock just to make it extra sturdy, and backed it again with her paper. So there's like 3 layers of paper on this Memorydex card. I just did a 4x4 square because I wanted a lot of room to work with. And let's go to the little details, you guys. I ended up like hand cutting a little coffin and making it a little shaker that's peeking through in the back. I stitched it up. I put one of my little brooms here. I did some little stitch paper that's back here. You can't really see it because there's so many layers, but let me see if I can show you. There's like a little folded paper in the back, kind of just to bring it up and give it more layers. There's tulle back here. There's stitching all the way around the card. On top of the little acetate, I have the little potion bottle that I did also some gold Winkastella to the stars. Added some little gemmies, the little spider. Then we have a rosette layer that you can see right there with little glitteries. That was sent to me in some Happy Mail. And then the little digis are propped up on foam, as you can see. There's a spider web, the ones that I showed you guys that I used from the SVG file that I cut. This right here is actually some pillow stuffing that I had, and I thought it went perfect because it looks like old and like spooky. So I just did that in the back for a little added effect. And yeah, you guys, that is my first Memorydex card. I absolutely love it. And a lot of you guys are asking me if I sell my creations. I used to have a Etsy shop, but I closed it down. But if you guys are interested in ordering any of my cards or any of my creations, just email me and we can discuss it over there. But yeah, and then I put this little saying right here: "Eat, drink, and be witchy." I backed it with some black cardstock, inked it with some pink ink. And that is my card. Well, the first one. And then the second card that I made is this one right here, you guys. And it's a little more spooky and dark. but I used Sally and Jack and put them inside of a little kind of a, what do you call these? A globe, a shaker globe. And I backed in the back, as you can see, I did some Wink Stella. I did some acetate, some stitching around the globe. In the back, there's these little, like, not foam, I would say it's more like cardstock with like a layer of foam in the inside. They're the Martha Stewart ones. So I have that big house in the back that actually makes the card super sturdy. So I started building on top of that. And we have a little skull wool veneer that I had gotten, not wool veneer, wood veneer that I had gotten in Michael's last year. Some more of that little pillow stuffing, the little spider, a little googly eye, my little favorite glittery pumpkins. One of the little sayings, but I inked it with black. More spiders, some little bats, and some little pom-poms on the top of the houses. Some little gold thread in the back. And you guys know I love adding bows to my cards. But yeah, that is this one. So those are the two Memorydex cards that I created using her digitals. Definitely go check her out. They're super cute and fun to work with. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my projects, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye guys.